Welcome everyone. It was a long weekend, but we're back. Those stocks is heavily volatile right now. It's been talked about on Reddit. We're gonna discuss the profit taking, the exit strategy, where the market will get in, where the short seller will get in as well to short those stocks. Let's start our video with those stocks. First, we have AVYA. This one is been heavily talked on Reddit. Let me just check the most shortest squeeze on Reddit. We have APRN, AVCT, BBBY, Ruby, and the other one here. And the fifth place is AVYA. And again, jumped 195 places up. Why? Because now we're breaking an important resistance around the $2. The moment that we broke the $2, we have an explosion and the price went higher. What's the game plan for this stock? It's pretty simple. Look at the big picture. It's stairways to heaven. We have a crazy volatility up until the $1.60. The short came in, price consolidate, another jump. Now we have to hold above the $2 to confirm this price action toward first the $2.66, the first price action. Then the profit taking, the second one should be around the $3.99. Then we have to take the last profit taking, which should be the ultimate profit taking around the $5.60 as well. We need to hold this confirmed support now is above the $2. We see a bit of rejection because a lot of people taking profit and short seller came heavily. However, if we held, it means we're gonna see the same reaction that happened here. You see, the short seller came, but the big buyer came, the market maker came before the $1.63 support, and the price gravitating up. Again, here the price got rejected around the $1.63. Was resistant before, the price went down, consolidate around this AMA and shoot up almost, let me just check, from the $1.63 until now. Yeah, we did 36%. If we held the $2, we're gonna do 30%, then another one, let me just check from here, another 50%. So we have to watch out for this support. The last bottom should be, if we have a sell-off for AVYA, is above the $1.63 support, or above our AMA. You see this AMA coil up is mean this is now confirmed bottom above the $1.63 if we don't want to see any sell-off, because this stock is pretty volatile. The next up we have APRN. Yes, it's been heavily talked about in Reddit as well. It's the number one, is still upvoted almost 600 times. If we go back, we see that the price got rejected before around the 7. We didn't hold. If you remember, we already talked about this resistance, and the good thing is we did double bottom around the $4.79. You see here around exactly our AMA. And lastly, before on the mid of August, and the price coil up again. So what we should expect, the bottom confirmed are above the $4.79. If we never break this level for this year or this month, because this stock is volatile, we're gonna have a genuine breaking for the resistance around the $7. And the second profit taken should be around the $8.87, and the squeeze which should be around the $12.17. Remember, this is the most important support, verifying that the short seller didn't won this game and the buyer or market maker just bought around the $4.79. This is the only confirmation. The first signal for that is closing next time above the $7. Before we go to BBBY and the other most short squeeze stock, let's go for our requested stock from our hunter and Patreon. From our hunter and Patreon, ask about Gamestop. If you see here, we have number one in red. What is that? Is the earning. Lastly, it happened around this area, around the June last year. The earning happened, look with me, even good earning. The price went down, then coil up. So always the earning is not like reflect the price action. Okay, look here, we have a bad earning around March this year, and look what the price did, jumped 130%. So as I said, the earning is not good with the with the price action. That's why I rely on my technical. You see, it hit our triangle from below and the price call up. Simple as possible. So when we should buy and when we should watch for revisit for the bottom. Now Gamestop is getting closer to this important support around this triangle that's been tested 3 times. Okay, we have first resistance or mini resistance around the 28.75. If we have this reaction, the price by tomorrow, good earnings, bad earnings, whatever, if the price get rejected around the 28.75, we're gonna see a break for this triangle and going toward the 14 and the $10. There where we should actually watch for confirmed support. Of course, because if the price go down, don't just rush and buy. We have to have a confirmation, a reversal signal, which is accumulation for the price above the 14 and verifying the strong support. So don't be hasty, be patient. Let the price come to us. Never run after the price. This is our slogan for our tribe channel. If you're new here, okay, because we always do update for a lot of stocks, for crypto, whatever. So as I said, the 28.75 will confirm our reversal if we broke it. Okay, this will be our support. And this will be the pre-signaling for the support, because if we break this, it will be a good signal. Then we overcome the 45 and break the triangle from above. At the next tab, we have another requested stock from our hunters, which is CEI. Where's the bottom? As we said before, we suggest to wait until we clear the 46. Unfortunately, we didn't, because we have our EMA call down on us, which is translated for heavy shorting opened for CEI. That's why the price went below the 0.33 and still gravitating down. So until now, I'm not suggesting to buy. Either we buy when we overcome the 46, or we have a confirm reversal from this ascending line around the 0.16 and 0.20. Here we're gonna have a reversal. We'll confirm that after we have like a big green candle forming above this ascending line. Now we're still a bit far from it, so watch out for CEI. I'll do update for it. Let me just go back to BBBY and see what's going on. Man, this one is crazy. It's getting near to our support that we talked about in our Patreon when we said the bottom of all, mother of all bottom for BBBY is above the $6.50, and look what's going on. The price gapped and went down, so we're getting near the $6.50. You see, we're getting near for the bottom for BBBY, so watch out. We have a big gap, a resistance now confirmed around the $8.24. This is the resistance and this is the support. Simple as possible. We need to have a gravitation again down, then accumulation here for a breakout. This will be a good entry if we hold this level of support, and this will be a good profit taken, first profit taken for BBBY. After that, we re-enter if we break the $8.24. Be ready to hunt. Never run after the price. Let the price come to you. As for Gamestop, be careful, be patient, because always the price hit the target or the price value. You have to wait until we have a signal for market maker entering, and we enter with them, have a volatility with us, take a profit, and exit. Even the market is red, blue, green, whatever color, we make money. So hopefully that was clear. See you in the next update.